In this video, we will show you a quick demo of LG Interactive Display Board. To open Ethernet settings, click on the above icon in your home screen. To open Wi-Fi settings, click on the above icon in your home screen. To open on the settings of LG IDB, click on Settings icon. Here you can adjust all the settings of LG IDB. To go back to home screen, click on Exit in the left bottom corner. To open File Explorer, click on Finder icon. Here, you can access all the files and folders available in the LG IDB. You can also access the external media and cloud storage by switching the file source. To go back to home screen, click on Exit in the left bottom corner. To open Note app, click on Note icon. Note app will help you to make notes and drawings. You can save the file or modify it later. To browse internet, open Chromium app. Click on Chromium icon. Chromium is the default web browser of LG IDB. To use Screen Share feature, go to Buy Below Share. To open this app, click on Buy Below Share icon. Here, you can share your phone or PC screen to LG IDB. To clean the temporary and junk files of LG IDB, go to Keeper. Performing various actions will help to increase the performance of LG IDB and preventing storage from junk files. To switch between input connections, click on Input icon to open the settings. You can also adjust sound and brightness settings by slider. Click on Sidebar icon to open Sidebar menu. Click the icon to return to the last operating interface. Click the icon to return to the home screen. Click the icon to pop out the window and display the recently operated tasks. You can delete all the progresses by one key or delete progresses by dragging left or right. Quick note, click to open note. You can write, erase, select objects, etc. Annotation tools, click to pop out the annotation tools. The tool includes such functions as annotation, gesture erasing, screenshot, and exit. When the quick note is being used, this function is unavailable. To take customized screenshot, click on the crop icon in the sidebar menu. Select the full screen or area you wish to crop and click on Save to save the file. Screen freezing. Click the button to pop out the screen freezing tools. You can freeze the screen and at the same time zoom in or out the current screen. Small tools. Click to pop out the tool choice box. Click the icon to open the spotlight. The spotlight can be used to make audience focus their attention on the location you need to emphasize. Countdown. Click the button to pop out the countdown small tool. Stopwatch. Click the button to start the stopwatch. Air class. Click and enter the class. After students scan the QR code to join the class, a teacher clicks. Touch menu. Click to access the touch menu.